Hi, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and here we have a 1982 Kawasaki KZ1000 LTD gas tank. It's a pretty decent tank. It's original paint. I'd recommend a nice little cleanup before you use it, but if you look, it's really solid. It's got a few scratches here and there, but it is over 40 years old, so there's a little paint's missing. But overall, super solid. Be really nice for a nice everyday rider. Comes with the fuel valve. Probably wouldn't hurt to go through this, but fuel valve does turn, so that's good. It comes with new old stock bolts and the plastic washers to bolt the fuel valve to the tank. And if you want to take a look, the lock here with the key moves very freely. It's not a genuine Kawasaki key, but it moves very freely, as you can see. It turns very nicely. If you want to take a look in there, it's really not bad. I mean, it could use a little cleanup. Man, that's not bad at all. I've seen much worse. So we're going to be offering this for sale on eBay. It still has an original caution sticker. Comes with a little grommet with the collar to also mount it. Emblems are pretty decent. No major dings or dents that I've seen. No major rust. It's really a solid tank. I can't guarantee, something like the sending unit or anything is good because I haven't tested it because there's part of the bike out. Paint's pretty nice still. Nice stripes and everything. So let us know. Thank you.